Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's to me, your favorite big girl, Happiness Empire. So guys, I thought of filming this video for you guys because I'm actually in the street market at my area. Yeah, this market is normally opened every Saturday from let me say from that 7 to 1 o'clock. So I actually came here to buy a shoe for myself, and I'm sitting, as you can see. I'm sitting, so I'm waiting for my husband to come back because he went to collect money from the bank. So there wasn't any money with me, so I'm waiting for him. And here are my children. I say hello. Say hello. Good afternoon, guys. I mean, good morning. Oh, silly me. Say good morning, guys. Yeah, this is my daughter. Say hello.
Hello.
Hi there.
Hello.
Good morning, guys.
Oh my God.
So, guys, let me show you the shoe I actually bought. So, just something simple because I can't put on the high heel. So I just bought the simple one for myself. So let me open. I'm coming. So this is it. The very simple shoe. I just need something to go with. Very simple with. I think I'm expecting my native. I'm expecting my native from AliExpress. So I hope it comes. Yeah, I hope it comes. Imagine, look at my face. So somehow this money. So I hope it comes. This is actually size 39. Yeah, size 39. So I love it so much. See you guys just 2 minutes from now. It's up to you guys while I wait for my husband. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put on the bell notification. Press the like button as you do. God bless you. Hello guys, this is actually the next day of actually on Saturday I went to buy something. I kind of want to take you guys along, but something happened that I couldn't make it to take you guys along. Like the stress was so too much and people were staring at me while I was filming. Yeah, that is my baby. They are watching cartoons. So I'm here doing my hair. You may imagine, is this a wig or is this a human hair? You want to know how I achieve it? Well, I'm sorry, I'm just going to give a little bit of details about it because this Christmas was so stressful. Well, before I forget, guys, happy Christmas guys, and a prosperous new year in advance. Yeah, prosperous new year in advance. Yeah, we're already in new year, isn't it? Yeah, so this hair is not a human hair. It shock you. Yeah, actually this hair is a expression hair. Wow, sorry, as I said, I did film it. So I'm going to switch my camera if I can do that right now, and then I'll show you how I did it. So this I'm doing it now. As you can see, I just use my stretcher just to met the tip a little bit so that it will give me that Wevon thing or Wevon style, something like that. So let me switch my camera now, and please, before then, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry guys for not uploading for a while now. I'm so sorry. It's been hell for me, seriously. If you can see, my eyes are big because of the stress. My eyes are so fucking big. I'm sorry guys. Please help your babe out. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also, you know, give me a like. It means a lot to me. So now I'm going to show you guys how I did it. The thing is that I've already done it. In fact, I've even placed it inside hot water. Yeah, sorry, but I'm still going to show you guys what the achievement, what I've gotten so far. My hand is paining me. I'm kind of holding it with my hand, so please don't mind me. So let me switch it, turn it around for you guys to see. So this is the expression. Here I miss like something like a, not wine, kind of it's not orange either. I don't know the color though. So I mixed it to it with the black. So as you can see, this one is already coiled. If you see it, it's like wet and weave. And in here I've also placed all of them in water. As you can see, my hand is watering because it's not yet dried properly. So the thing I did is that, let me take you closer. You see, I just kind of take the expression like this. It has this knot here, and then I take these pieces, which is this straight one. I cross it. Let me just, okay, just as it, because I'm holding it, that's why. So just kind of you cross it with this one, you get, and then you draw to clip. Well, I'm sorry guys, I promise, and I promise again, I'm going to do a video on that. I will do it for you guys. So now I'm losing it. I'm just kind of losing it to get my coils, because I'm going to use this one for the front. I'm not going to be matting it, just going to tie this knot very well and then trim the rest off for the attachment not to pull out, extension not to pull out. So going to give me 5 minutes and I will be back, guys. So now I just decided to take you guys along without saying 5 minutes. So now I'm going to be losing this tip right here. I'm actually in my rooms because those children they are going to make my head go gaga. I don't need that. So that's why I'm in my room. So when you are losing it, you just have to be careful not to rough the coil. You don't want to lose the coil. Yeah, that is the word. You don't want to lose the coil because that is what we are going for actually. We don't want the coils to stretch out or tangle. I think that is it. So you see, it's just a short clip, but I promise you guys, I'm going to take you guys along. Like for me, I bought the one expression attachment, the one that is already drawn, not the one you will cut and then pass through the process of drawing it again. No, so I just buy the one that is already drawn and then start my work. The first thing I do is comb and cream it, and then I just start my work. This is it. This is how it's this is how it's looking at like. So all you need to do is just to take your finger, cross the line, and then just take them aside like that, kind of losing the coils a little bit because you want to differentiate the attachment from each other, you get. Then come to this side as well. I'm actually sewing it as I said before, but you can also use this particular style. This particular style, you can actually use clip on it. It will be very good if you can use clip on it. Well, I think the other one I'm going to be doing will be clip. Yeah, because I think I'm going to be doing it for my daughter as well. I'll use the strong curly one, not this light one again. So you see how it is. You see this? Let me come a little bit closer. Why is it blurred? There is it. I'm sorry, I didn't know it was blurring. So this is how it is. So I'm just going ahead to loosen up this, and then I'll be right back, guys. So guys, this is it. I've already creamed it and as well used my mousse This is the type of mousse I normally use. Process, I mean, Style and Care Mousse Extra Strong. Oh, extra hold. Yeah, this is how it's looking like, and this is the down. So this is it, guys, and I'm just going ahead right now to trim it, and then I'll be back, guys. So guys, this is the finished look of the hair. Yeah, true. I couldn't make a video because I don't have my tripod, whatever is being called, with me actually, and the one I filmed before was just with my hand in case if it was shaking, I don't know. Yeah, so that is it, and this is the back. It's so full and thick. Like, I love the coils, everything about the hair. You see that? And this is me. That person you are seeing there, I don't know if you can see her. I don't think so. Well, my daughter is right beside me. And this is the hair. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comment down below what you think about this hair. Bye.